Welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be taking a look at typography of graphic design. First off, we'll look into definition of some concepts, and the first one is graphic design. Graphic design is formed from two concepts, graphic and design. Graphic means visual, which connotes art, imagination, expression, etc. It involves many mediums such as drawing, painting, engraving, and lettering. It, it is giving clear and explicit detail. And the visual elements that combine to create graphic design are line, color, shape, texture, space, form, and typography. We artistically combine these elements to convey an idea. Design, on the other hand, is to decide upon the look and function of something before it is made. It connotes thinking, it connotes problem solving, it connotes practicality, etc. In design, there are rules that we must consider in order to produce meaningful and beautiful work. That is, for the work to also be functional, also for it to be very much practical and to be very much communicative. There are rules and guidelines we follow called the principle of design. These principles are always interwoven and appear in every good design we see. When a student understands this principle and apply them correctly, it will give substance to their work. The key principles of design are contrast, hierarchy, alignment, balance, proximity, repetition, simplicity, and function. Thus, visual elements, that is graphic design plus design principles, equals to graphic design. Now, it is also good to note that graphic design is not about making something look pretty, but the organization and presentation of information developed through a creative process for a particular function is what graphic design is. Let me take that again. Graphic design is not about making something pretty. Rather, it is the organization and presentation. That is, we organize and we also present information developed through creative process for a particular function. Subsequently, we shall be focusing on typography in this lesson, which is one of the visual elements of design. Typography, the art or technique of arranging types to make written language more communicative and appealing. Paula Scher simply put it as painting with words. The key concepts here are arrangement of type, that is either letter or words, communicative and appeal. This suggests that the way we arrange our letters or words have great impact on what meaning the reader gives to them. For instance, when you have your words in all caps, it suggests you are shouting. Some decorative fonts in of themselves can suggest luxury. They can suggest grand style. Then thin handwritten typeface suggests feminine.